Welcome to this quick guide on how to block sites from seeing and changing information on NFC in Chrome using the updated settings. If you want more control over your browser privacy and device permissions, this is a simple setting you can change in just a few taps. Chrome gives you the option to manage site access to features like NFC, and turning it off can help prevent websites from interacting with NFC devices without your permission. First, open Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu, then select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find Site Settings. This section controls what websites can and cannot access, including things like camera, microphone, location, and NFC. Now tap on NFC devices. This is where Chrome lets you manage whether sites are allowed to use NFC. If the setting is enabled, websites may be able to see or interact with NFC features when permitted. To block that access, simply toggle off NFC devices. That's it. Once this is turned off, Chrome will stop allowing sites to access NFC devices through your browser settings.